This is the third part of our series called Dry Gin January. For 3 years now, we've been showing our 3 steady viewers an easy way to get around the dry January trap. Today, we're mixing the written word. Before I take on the written word, I must master the spoken word. Let's take a quick shot to loosen the lips. An American gin. I hope that never gets old. The written word is a riff on a cocktail we've done in the past called The Last Word. Only, instead of using maraschino cherry liqueur, we use orange liqueur. 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce of an orange liqueur, my homemade orange liqueur, and yes, we're going to have a shot of that orange liqueur. That can cover a multitude of ills. One ounce of green Chartreuse, but first we're going to have ourselves a shot. It's supposed to bring me long life. One ounce of a dry gin, and I'm going to use my favorite gin, Sipsmith. And of course, I gotta have a shot. Yummy. And garnish with a maraschino cherry. And that's the written word. Today's word of wisdom is taste. It is important to have taste, especially as a man of the cloth. Say you are that man and you are preparing to do a funeral. You have a question to answer. Are you going to use this opportunity to make a point and push an agenda? Or will you use it to allow a grieving family to reflect on the life they just lost? You know, choosing the right path is easy when you have taste. If you lack it, you might find this question hard to answer. Word of advice: don't make every moment about you. Sometimes it is more useful to sit down and stay quiet.